Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize Google Chrome step by step. Customizing Chrome allows you to personalize the browser's appearance and make it fit your style and preferences. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, open a new tab by clicking the plus icon at the top of the browser. On the new tab page, look for the Customize Chrome button in the bottom right corner and click on it. A customization panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Here, you can choose from different themes and color combinations to change Chrome's appearance. Click on Color and Theme and select the style you like. You can also upload your own image as a background. To do this, click Background, then choose Upload from Device and select an image from your computer. Next, explore the Shortcuts section. Here, you can choose whether Chrome displays your most visited websites or custom shortcuts on the new tab page. You can also customize the toolbar by clicking the Customize Chrome option and choosing which tools and features appear for quick access. Once you've finished making changes, simply close the customization panel. Your settings will be saved automatically, and Chrome will immediately display your new look. And that's it. You've successfully customized Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Chrome tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.